I've been meaning to respond to umbuzo ngeke ngawuphonselwa cishe abantu abambalwa nje ku-inbox nalapha kuma-comment section on one of my videos bengibuza ukuthi ngabe nginawo umbono ngesenzo sikaMengameli wezwe ukuthi appointe this professor from oretire lapha eVarsity ukuthi azoba u-acting minister wamaphoyisa. Sizokhumbula ukuthi after kuvele lezi zinto ezivelile inkundleni zokuxhumana bezishuwo u-provincial commissioner wamaphoyisa kwaZulu Natal ukuthi umongameli bese thatha isinqumo sokuthi cha uzoplacer uminister wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu ku-leave of absence. Akasho ukuthi uyamsuspend, uthe uzomplacer on i-leave of absence. That basically means ukuthi he continues to get his salary and all of his, his official benefits. Wayesethi-ke esikhundleni sakhe-ke uzobe se-appointa this professor ukuthi azoba u-acting minister wamaphoyisa kusaphenywa lolu daba. Now to answer engikwaziyo ngane yakwethu ngizophendula nje engikwaziyo bafowethu. Before ngiqhubeke ngiyathanda ukuthi into engiyishoyo ukuze ilandeleke nginikeze context. Uzokhumbula ukuthi lapha ngithi section 33 we-Constitution 33(1) ukhuluma ngokuthi wonke umuntu has the right to i-administrative action enjani, e-lawful, e-reasonable, ne-procedurally fair. Now kuzokukhanyela ukuthi why ngiqala lapho bese beyithi-ke ngithi uparagraph 3 khona lapho kuleyo section ozokutshela ukuthi national legislation must be enacted to give effects to these rights, meaning kufanele kukhandwe-ke umthetho thizeni ozonikeza i-effect kuleli lungelo elishuwo le-administrative action. Lo mthetho wakhandwayo lapho cishe u-Act 3 ka-2000, that is Promotion of Administrative Justice Act 3 of 2000. Kuma-definition bazobe section 1 waleyo act bazobe sebesichazela ukuthi yini administrative action. Bazokutshela ukuthi nithi babethi administrative action is any decision or failure to take a decision by any organ of state when exercising public power or when exercising power in terms of the Constitution. So it would then mean ukuthi umongameli uma appointa or minister umongameli uma appointa acting people usuke exercise amandla wanikezwe i-public office, meaning the public office is the presidential office. And futhi lawo mandla wa exercise in accordance with i-constitution ngoba iyona emnika amandla, and therefore isenzo sakhe by definition lengisanda kuyisho siyaqualify ngokubizwa i-administrative action. Ukhumbula ukuthi ku-33(1) we-constitution kuthiwa sinelungelo sonke thina lokuthi administrative action including as the public esibhekana nayo mayibe njani, mayibe semthethweni, mayibe reasonable, meaning it must be based on reasonable reasons, futhi mayibe procedurally fair. Bese ke lapha ku section 6F Roman figure 1 wayo i-Promotion of Administrative Justice Act 3 ka-2000 bazokutshela ukuthi noma ubani onganelisekile noma who is materially affected i-administrative action angayithatha ayishe on judicial review, meaning angayoyi-challenge inkantolo on the basis ukuthi 1 iweqile umthetho, iwephulile umthetho, noma iphambene ne-empowering provisions, iphambene nalowo mthetho lo ogunyaza lo muntu ukuthi athathe leso sinqumo. Right. Now we need to ask ukuthi ngabe i-administrative action ka-president to appoint this guy ngabe i-lawful na noma ayikho lawful. That will then tell us ukuthi laba bathi bazoyi-challenge inkantolo ngabe ba-justified na. Asibuyele futhi kwi-constitution uye ngithi section 91 subsection 2 paragraph C, ozokutshela ukuthi umongameli anga-appointa ominister abangeqile kwababili ukuthi bazoba yingxenyani yecabinet yakhe. Siyazi ukuthi umongameli ominister bakhe no-deputy minister bakhe ubatomla kuphi kubantu asebengama-members eparliament, but i-constitution yamgunyaza ukuthi angatomla 2 ministers, iphinde imgunyaza ukuthi angatomla 2 deputy ministers from outside iparliament. Ngizokhuluma nje ngo-section 91 subsection 2c ngoba la sikhuluma ngominister, asikhulumi ngo-deputy minister. So kuthiwa angathatha abawu-2 from outside ukuthi bazoba o-minister, hhayi ukuthi bazoba o-acting minister, but bazoba o-minister. May appoint them as ministers, not acting ministers. All right, take note of that. Sibuye siye lapha ku-section 98 why constitution ozokutshela ukuthi umongameli anga-assign ama-powers, amandla nama-functions ka-minister o-absent from office, ongekho office. Khumbula ukuthi usenzo Mchunu is on leave of absence. Angawa-assigna komunye noma uminister bathi to another member of cabinet. It means to another minister or an acting minister, because khuluma ngomuntu osevele seyingxenye ye-cabinet. So those powers kasenzo Mchunu of being a minister can only be assigned to a person who is already in the cabinet, who is either a minister already or a deputy minister in terms of section 98 we-constitution, which means umongameli kanawo amandla uku-appoint umuntu from outside the cabinet ukuthi azo-acta. The only person who can act as a minister of police is a person who is already within the cabinet, which means ukuthi isenzo sikamongameli so-appointa this guy, this professor, ukuthi azo-acta is unlawful in terms of the constitution, and therefore may be taken on a judicial review in terms of section 6F Roman figure 1 of Act 3 ka 2000. Ngizoyibamba nje lapho.